Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get free traffic for Clickbank products. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews to let you guys know what is legitimate and what is not as far as making money online. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. The first method that I use to get leads every single day for free is YouTube. So you're going to pick, of course, your niche and then figure out what Clickbank product you want to promote. So for example, my niche is make money online. So I do videos based around that topic. And I also do product reviews. And then at the end of the video, what you're going to do is have a call to action. So my call to action is, if you want to learn more about my #1 recommended resource for making money online, click in the link below this video, in the description below this video. And so if your product is, for example, belly fat, you're going to want to make videos around weight loss and things having to do with health, and then provide value. In your video you want to give some good value, and then at the end you can say, if you want to learn more information on how to lose belly fat, click on the link in the description below this video. And then you want to have a lead capture page, ideally, rather than sending them directly to your affiliate link. So if you click here, it'll take you to my lead capture page, because you wanted to build an email list so that you can market to them. Most people don't buy on the first exposure, and that way you can market to them not only your Clickbank offer, but other offers related to losing belly fat, so weight loss offers. That's the first method, and again, this is free. I would recommend you create one video a day in your niche, providing value, then have a call to action and have a link in the description below your video, and you'll start to get some traction, some traffic. Just commit at least for 45 days, and you're going to start to see some sales doing that method. The second way is Facebook. And I love to do inspirational quotes and share it with other people. So I will do that. And then I have KarenMerrill.net that also takes you to my lead capture page. People are just naturally curious. And if you do like your name, that's a good domain name, if you can, and link it to your lead capture page. So you can see that's my dog, Sailor. This is one I did the other day. I have another quote there, KarenMerrill.net, and I track these in ClickMagic, so I know that people click on them, and I do get leads from them. So those are just some examples. So you would go to canva.com, canva.com, and this is free. You would pick the template for the Facebook post. You would upload some video or some images of yourself, and then you just edit this to the quote or whatever it is you want to say. It doesn't have to be someone's quote, it could be something you said, and then put your domain name at the bottom there. So those are two free methods. And this other method, sorry, is not free, but I did want to mention it to you because I've used it for years. It is email signature, and this is not free. It's $9 a month. But people, again, are just naturally curious. So these tabs here, you can put whatever it is that you want. You can edit them and link them to whatever you want. So if you had a product that was for lose belly fat, you could put lose belly fat. And most people need to lose belly fat, so they'd be interested in clicking on it. And so it's installed in your Gmail, but also put it in your autoresponder. And it's just a very professional looking email signature. You can link it to web pages, whatever you want to link it to. And it also has an affiliate program, so it says powered by esignature.com. Get yours today. So if they click on that, it'll take them to your affiliate link, and I've made some decent money from that. You can get it. No, you can just do your own here, create your own, or you can have a custom one. This I had it custom made. I think it was $45 for the static. Yes, $49. And then the animated one is $99, but you can, again, make your own. And then it also has where you can track the button statistics to see which one's getting clicked on the most, and then you can maybe switch it out and see, which one gets the best response. But you could even have 4 different Clickbank offers here if you want. So that's just an option for you, because I again have used it for years and I think it looks very professional. It works very well. But the free methods, of course, again, are YouTube and Facebook. And I'm going to leave a link to this email signature in the description below this video. So that's it for this, how to get free traffic for Clickbank products. And if you receive value from this, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And if you want to learn my #1 recommended resource for building an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, go ahead and click on the link in the description below this video, and then it'll take you to my #1 recommended resource. So that's it for today. This is Karen Merrill signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video.